Also breaking tonight, COVID-19 test for Ohio's governor, his wife, the lieutenant governor, all came back negative. But throughout the Buckeye State, there is another surge of cases. Nearly 1,500 new cases reported in the last 24 hours. That's the highest single-day jump since July 31st. 88 additional deaths also reported. The governor calling those numbers alarming and had a message for everyone in Ohio. NBC4's Eric Halpern live tonight in Columbus. Eric, a lot of breaking news on this tonight. What's the message the governor wants folks to take away?
Carrie, there was a sense of urgency from the governor earlier today. He said over and over again the fact that the president of the United States has COVID-19 is proof that anyone can get it. And he also repeatedly reminded Ohioans to wear masks.
You know, this is pushing 1,500 cases for a day. And that is not good, and we're not headed in the right direction.
While holding a press conference to answer questions about the president's COVID-19 diagnosis, Governor Mike DeWine also discussed the Department of Health reporting 1,495 new coronavirus cases today.
If we could get 90% of the people to wear masks, let the ones who aren't going to wear a mask not wear the mask. You know, if we could hit 90%, these numbers would not be what you saw today. They simply would not be.
It's the fourth day this week Ohio has seen more than 1,000 new cases, and the 21-day average is now back above 1,000.
I don't think it's getting any better anytime soon.
Fred Brew and Mitch Rotundo went out for early drinks with their roommates Friday. They say rising case numbers factor into what they decide to do.
A lot of people that I hang out with won't go out to bars because they don't want to risk it. And some people just simply don't care. So it's interesting to see how differently people take it.
You know, you're always fighting that battle of we've been cooped up for so long, but cases are rising. So I'm always you're always fighting that battle what you want to do.
And like Governor DeWine, Bo Pfeiffer wants to see more mask wearing too. He was in New York for the summer. With how hard the Big Apple was hit by the virus, he says mask wearing and social distancing there is taken much more seriously than in Ohio.
It's not something to sneeze at, because it could definitely happen at any time and people could get this easily. I mean, Trump got it and he has a team of cleaners behind him 24/7 and he still got it. So I feel like everybody's at risk.
And Governor DeWine also brought up a couple other numbers today he says are going in the wrong direction: positivity rates and hospitalizations. Live and local for you in Columbus, I'm Eric Halpern, NBC4.
All right, Eric, thanks.